System Center Operations Manager is a popular choice for enterprises to monitor and manage their Microsoft servers and applications. Today's IT infrastructures are heterogeneous and multi-vendor. You can have virtualization platforms like VMware vSphere, remote access technologies like Citrix virtual desktops, middleware Java applications, and enterprise applications like SAP. To monitor these non-Microsoft platforms in SCOM, administrators often have to rely on multiple management packs from different third-party vendors. The challenge in using multiple management packs from different vendors is that there's no integration between the management packs. Administrators get a lot of metrics about each management pack, but very little actionable information and correlated alerts are available to help them pinpoint the real root cause of a performance issue. This leads to long problem isolation and diagnosis cycles, resulting in poor user experience and loss in user productivity. IT operation costs also increase as domain experts end up spending time in routine firefighting activities. What administrators need, therefore, is a single integrated monitoring approach that can support Microsoft and non-Microsoft applications spanning physical and virtual infrastructures. The EG Enterprise Performance Monitoring solution from EG Innovations offers end-to-end monitoring, diagnosis, and reporting for over 150 different enterprise applications, 10 different operating systems, and 9 different virtualization platforms. The EG SCOM plugin allows EG Enterprise to seamlessly integrate with Microsoft SCOM, so administrators can now monitor heterogeneous infrastructures from the SCOM console itself. Furthermore, since EG Enterprise supports heterogeneous infrastructures, administrators do not have to rely on a number of different vendor solutions, one for each of the infrastructure tiers. Administrators can monitor Microsoft platforms with SCOM and use EG Enterprise for all the non-Microsoft platforms like Citrix XenApp, XenDesktop, SAP, Java applications, etc. Instead of sending raw metrics to System Center Operations Manager, EG Enterprise collects, analyzes, and correlates metrics from every layer, every infrastructure tier using an industry-first virtualization-aware root cause diagnosis technology. Only actionable information is sent to the SCOM console. This enables administrators to initiate right corrective action to fix a problem. Let's take a closer look at how the plugin works. The EG SCOM plugin runs as a Windows service on the EG Management Server or on a dedicated server. The name of the service is EG Connector Service. The SCOM agent also runs side by side on the same machine. The plugin periodically gets the discovery and state data from the EG Manager. Using the SCOM SDK, the plugin directly inserts the discovery data into the SCOM server. The EG Management Pack, which includes unit monitors and state change workflows, gets downloaded to the SCOM agent. The management pack then retrieves state information from the EG Connector service and performs state change for the EG objects. As and when the state change happens, alerts get raised in SCOM. Now let's go to the Operation Manager console and take a look at the EG data. The EG Enterprise folder includes various monitoring views to represent the state of EG monitored components. The Active Alerts view displays all the currently open alerts. You can see that there is a critical alert for VMware monitoring. To understand an alert better, administrators have instant access to the knowledge base information displayed right there in the alert details pane. To investigate the problem further, they can just click on the Diagnose Using EG link on the task panel on the right side. This will open up the EG console with the alarm context, thereby giving administrators access to diagnostic information collected by EG for the reported alerts. In the All Components view of the SCOM console, you can see that applications and servers are managed by EG Enterprises. The state of each of the infrastructure tier is shown here, and the state is updated in real time. So when EG detects a problem, the SCOM console reflects this. This ensures that administrators don't have to use two management consoles. They can just rely on the SCOM console for their routine monitoring and alerting needs. Here we have separate folders for every application type. When you add a new type of application EG Enterprise, it automatically gets added here. We are actually looking at the contents of the VMware VDI monitoring. Components view here displays the list of applications monitored for this type. There's one VMware ESX server being monitored. In this view, you can also find out the status of every layer available in the VMware server. And here, the layers folder includes state views for each layer of an application. When we click on a layer, we can get a list of objects available in the layer and their status. Let's take a closer look at the VMware monitoring. Let's go to the components view and choose a component and then select diagram view. Here you can see that the VMware server is in critical state. The first level objects represent the health of the different layers of VMware server. You can see that there is a problem in the operating system layer. Different objects at the operating system layer are shown in the next level, and you can see that CPU ESX of the VMware server is in critical state. On the right side panel, we can find a link diagnosed using EG. Click on this link to launch EG Enterprise console and check performance data captured for this object. We can check the history of performance data using the graph link available here, and using the diagnosis view available here, we can also find out additional diagnosis information about this problem. Right now it is showing the CPU breakdown for different CPU subsystems, and this context sensitive launching is supported in all the monitoring views included in the EG management pack. The integrated solution offers administrators a lot of benefits. The combined solution is a single integrated monitoring platform that supports both Microsoft and non-Microsoft applications equally well. Administrators can view the performance of entire heterogeneous environment in the familiar SCOM console, and they do not need to learn another monitoring tool or master multiple management packs from different vendors. Administrators can even add custom monitors for new applications and devices using EG Enterprise and integrate these rapidly with SCOM. With the integrated solution, you can maximize your returns on your SCOM investment by combining EG Enterprise expertise in heterogeneous platform monitoring with SCOM's expertise in monitoring Microsoft technologies.